How to download Play Store or how to install Play Store. Downloading or installing Play Store on your device is fairly simple because Play Store is actually usually pre-installed with the Android device that you've purchased as long as it complies with Google services. Except for some brands and some companies like Huawei, they don't offer Google services by default. Now, sometimes it could be that even if Play Store is installed, it could have been disabled, so it is not showing up on your home screen. In that case, you can go to Settings and go to the apps list within your Android phone. Then you can tap on the three dots option, then also turn on show default apps. So tap on the show default apps option, then tap on the search bar and simply search for Google Play Store. And basically if it is installed, you'll find the Play Store here and you can choose to enable it. But if you don't find it, then you want to open your browser and go to this website called apkpure.net. And once you go to apkpure.net, in the search bar you can simply search for Play Store, which is your Google Play Store in this case. And once you've done that, if you go to your Google Play Store and search for it, you can see the Google Play Store. So you can download the APK file of this and install it manually as well. And that way you can basically download your Play Store or install it. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.